It's fall in Michigan, and the beautiful burst of colors that make our state an autumn destination can also be a source of congestion, itchy eyes, and sneezing. But with autumn allergies in bloom and the start of the cold and flu season, how can you tell if what you or your kids have are just allergies or something more serious? For parents, it can be a challenge.
It make you feel hopeless, especially if it's bad, if it's to the point where they are just like moping around or just need that extra love and that extra attention.
I met Latrice Butler, a mother of 5, and her 10-year-old son, Antoine, in Midtown Detroit. Latrice says with years of experience in healthcare and as a mom, managing and deciphering fall illnesses gets easier. But she says it still requires paying close attention.
Now that he's 10, he's more aware, he's cognitive, he understands when his body is going through something that is not normal.
Health experts like DMC pediatrician Dr. Kevin Daisy encourage patients to pay close attention to their child's symptoms, even if they're managing those illnesses at home. He says note when the symptoms started, how long they've been around, and how they're changing.
I want to know where it's sounding like that cough is coming from and how severe it is, because that's really going to tell us what we can do about it.
If you're trying to figure out what you or your child are fighting, here are some ways to tell some of the illnesses apart. Fall allergies are often triggered by mold or pollen and can present with a runny nose, sneezing, and itchy eyes. They can last for weeks or months. The common cold will often come with a cough, congestion, sore throat, and a slight fever. COVID and the flu present with fever, body aches, fatigue, and COVID may still include a loss of taste or smell. The flu and almost half a dozen other illnesses can cause croup, which presents with a distinctive barking cough. And then there's whooping cough, which is a highly contagious bacterial infection. In fact, the U.S. is currently experiencing the worst whooping cough outbreak in a decade. The CDC says in the most recent reporting week, there were 5 times as many cases of whooping cough compared to the same period in 2023. Whooping cough starts like a mild cold, but can intensify into a severe cough within a couple of weeks.
It only takes a little bit of inflammation in the wrong spot for oxygen exchange to not occur very often.
And that inflammation is responsible for the telltale whooping sound during inhalation. So when should you get help? First, if your child's cold appears to be getting worse after a week, or your child has a really harsh cough and appears to have a hard time speaking, or can't catch their breath even at rest.
Those would be signs like someone that needs to be seen right away, because they don't have much time potentially until something bad could really happen.
For Latrice, knowing her child's baseline,
How they act, how they interact with other kids,
helps her catch any concerning changes early on.